Greetings, intrepid explorers of the cosmos. Welcome to Interesting Zone, where today we will embark on a unique and fascinating journey through our solar system. We will immerse ourselves in the magical world of the mythological origin of the planets that shape our celestial neighborhood. Each of these celestial bodies, beyond being spheres in the night sky, is wrapped in stories and legends that have fascinated cultures worldwide for millennia. Join us as we unearth these mythological narratives that have endured through time, shedding light on human creativity and imagination, as well as the profound connection between myth and reality in the vast and marvelous universe we call home. Let's begin our mythological journey with the planet closest to the Sun, Mercury. In Roman mythology, Mercury was the messenger of the gods, a cunning and swift being known for his wings on his heels, and his caduceus, a winged staff. How does this mythological figure find its echo in the astronomical world? Mercury, the fast and elusive planet, carries with it an intriguing orbit and a slow rotation, where a Mercurian day is longer than its year. Could this cosmic dance have inspired the image of a swift messenger traversing the sky? Exploring ancient cultures, we encounter Hermes in Greek mythology, equivalent to Mercury. Hermes was the god of merchants and travelers, personifying mental agility and the ability to move between worlds. Do these characteristics reflect the erratic nature of Mercury that defies expectations in its proximity to the Sun? Mercury, besides being a rocky planet with extreme temperatures, seems to navigate through cosmic complexities in its challenging orbit. The connection between the mythology of Hermes and the inhospitable characteristics of Mercury offers a unique perspective on how ancient cultures used mythological stories to make sense of celestial phenomena, incorporating aspects of the astronomical environment into their narratives. The name Venus comes from the Roman goddess of love and beauty, also known as the equivalent of the Greek goddess Aphrodite. In Roman mythology, Venus was revered as the goddess of love, fertility, beauty, and victory. Her Latin name, Venus, has been used to refer to the second planet of the solar system. Her radiance has captured the attention of sky observers throughout history, inspiring associations with beauty and love, thus carrying the name of the Roman goddess. In Roman mythology, Venus was one of the main deities worshipped for her influence in various aspects of life. As the goddess of love, she was associated with passion, attraction, and fertility. She was also venerated as the goddess of beauty and victory in war. Venus is one of the brightest objects in the night sky due to its reflectivity and proximity to Earth. Its exceptional brightness, especially when visible at dawn or dusk, has fascinated ancient civilizations. This celestial phenomenon influenced the association of the planet with the goddess of love and beauty. Venus is known as the morning star when visible before dawn, and the evening star when visible after sunset. This duality contributed to mythologies portraying Venus as a deity traveling between morning and evening skies, reinforcing its connection with amorous and celestial aspects. The choice of the name Venus for the second planet of the solar system is based on the rich Roman mythology and its relationship with the goddess, personifying love and beauty. This interconnection between the starry sky and mythological narratives has enriched our cultural and symbolic understanding of the universe. Unlike other celestial bodies whose names often derive from mythological figures, Earth got its name simply as the ground we walk on. However, in some cultures and mythologies, Earth has been personified and seen as a deity. In Greek mythology, for example, the goddess Gaia personified Earth as a primordial entity and mother of all beings. Gaia, also known as Gaia in Roman mythology, personifies Earth as a divine and primordial entity. She is considered the Mother Earth, the feminine personification, and the primordial deity, representing the planet Earth itself. Gaia is one of the first primordial deities emerging from the original chaos, and is considered the mother of all gods and titans in Greek mythology. Gaia is seen as a vital force and generator of life. She is credited with the role of providing the resources that sustain life and growth on Earth. Gaia personifies the entire Earth, including mountains, rivers, oceans, and all natural elements. This connection with nature makes her a symbol of life and the energy flowing through the planet. The figure of Gaia is interpreted as a loving and protective mother, linked to Earth as a source of nourishment and sustenance for all forms of life. While the term Earth for our planet comes from a different linguistic root, the figure of Gaia in Greek mythology represents a personification of the Earth that reflects the relationship and veneration that cultures have had toward our terrestrial home. The name Mars for the fourth planet of the solar system has an interesting mythological origin. In Roman mythology, Mars was the god of war, equivalent to the Greek god Ares. Mars was revered as the god of war, violence, courage, and military strategy. Considered one of the main Roman gods, he was attributed the protection of soldiers and leadership in battle. He was invoked before battles and was considered the father of Romulus and Remus, the legendary founders of Rome. Despite his primary role as the god of war, Mars also had connections with agriculture and fertility. It was believed that he provided the necessary courage for war, but also the strength for agriculture and the protection of fields. The choice of the name Mars is due to its intense red color, resembling the color of blood associated with war in Roman mythology. This name captures the intensity of the planet with its reddish hues and its mythological history linked to strength, courage, and power in Roman culture. When modern space exploration began to focus on Mars, the planet's name acquired additional meaning. The connection with the god of war suggests the idea of conquering new territories, in this case, exploring and understanding a distant world. Jupiter, the fifth planet of the solar system, is one of the jewels of the night sky, and its mythological origin is equally fascinating. The name Jupiter comes from the supreme god of Roman mythology, equivalent to the Greek god Zeus. In Roman mythology, Jupiter is the supreme god and the king of the Olympian gods. Jupiter was adored as the god of the sky and thunder, ruler of Mount Olympus. He was considered the father and protector of gods and humans. His figure was associated with justice, authority, and power, often depicted with a thunderbolt in hand, symbolizing his dominion over the skies. The choice of the name Jupiter for the giant gas planet reflects its imposing size and prominent position in the solar system. Its immense mass and gravitational field have influenced the orbital stability of the inner solar system. Jupiter was associated with the sky and thunder in mythology. He was often depicted casting lightning and thunder from the sky. Symbolism that aligns with a distinctive feature in Jupiter's atmosphere observed for centuries, the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that endures and has captured the attention of astronomers and astronomy enthusiasts. This image strongly resembles the characteristic ability of the mythological god. Jupiter played the role of protector of gods and humans. His figure inspired respect and fear, but also symbolized justice and authority. This image is reflected in Jupiter's gravitational influence, acting as a protector, by diverting potentially dangerous asteroids and comets from the inner solar system. The patriarch of the Roman pantheon was also known for his extensive list of love affairs, and that is why the moons orbiting Jupiter are named after each of the loves attributed to this character. I hope you have enjoyed exploring the mysteries and wonders of our solar system. The history of each planet, its myths, and its connection to our own existence are fascinating. However, like the cosmos itself, exploration does not stop here. Soon, we will embark on the second part of this cosmic journey, where we will discover more secrets, more stories, and more astonishing wonders of the universe. There is still much more to uncover. This was Interesting Area. Until the next video, Space Explorers.